Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, should residency be offered to wealthy foreigners? And I thought of this question when reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thailand Continues to Hunt for the Super Rich Bleisure Traveler. Bleisure's in quotation marks. This is this new hybrid of business and leisure traveler that we've discussed in another video. And I urge folks to read this article. A lot of insight going on in here, but this particular excerpt I thought was interesting and made me think of making this video. Quoting directly, critics say that the Thai government has many schemes on offer or in the pipeline to lure wealthy foreigners, but none of them offer full residency or unrestricted ownership of freehold land. So, meanwhile, quoting further, meanwhile, many overseas countries do offer full residency to foreigners and passports for sale upwards of $250,000 US, including some members of the European Union. Well, yeah, I see that, I don't know. I don't know the answer. Should Thailand be offering full residency? I don't know the answer to that. What I do know is, look, Thailand is not an EU country, and Thailand is not a Caribbean nation, like St. Kitts, which if you invest in property there, you can get a passport issued to yourself. They're just not, it's neither of those things. So I don't think that the analysis, I don't think they're analogous. You can't really compare a Caribbean country to Thailand, nor do I think it's fair to compare an EU country to Thailand. Both of them have different, one, in the case of the Caribbean, some of these countries, in some cases, really need revenue, and they're looking to generate revenue. I don't think Thailand has that overall issue. Meanwhile, some of these EU countries can provide things like residence permits because, they have the resources to support a large number of foreign nationals in their country just residing there. I'm not saying Thailand can't support that, but it just isn't either of those things. So I think Thailand has to kind of make its own way with respect to this. I think they're doing a good job of it in the sense that, notwithstanding the fact that a lot of these newly proposed visas, as well as creative visas like the Smart Visa, as well as the Elite Visa, they can provide a lot of status in terms of the amount of time one can stay in Thailand. And at the same time, they're not residents. We've discussed that at length in many other videos. Point being, I just don't think it's fair to compare Thailand on this issue with some of these countries that are offering these residency programs, in this kind of straightforward, essentially by residency kind of manner. I just don't think it's fair to compare Thailand in that milieu.